Alright, hey y'all, and welcome to my channel DIY Electric. I just wanted to do a brief introduction video to kind of tell you what my channel's about and what kind of content I'll be putting up here in the future, since I'm just kind of getting started. As you can kind of tell from the title, DIY Electric, it's going to be a lot about electricity, how to do your own work around your house or wherever it may be, just basic stuff. But I wanted to make videos that explained in a simple, yet I want you to be able to understand, what's going on. I've noticed videos that I've seen about electricity tend to either be overcomplicated or oversimplified. So they'll give you a basic instruction on how to do something but not really tell you the idea behind it, or they'll go way too much into detail and you won't know what's going on. So I'm hoping to kind of find a good balance between those two styles. And also, as you can tell, I've never made videos before, and I'm really bad at this, so hopefully over time, bear with me, and hopefully I'll get better at it. So anyway, a little bit about me. I'm an electrical engineer. I graduated recently from the University of South Carolina with my bachelor's degree, and I am a third generation electrical engineer. So actually both my parents and one of my grandparents is an electrical engineer. So our conversations tend to revolve around electricity. So hopefully I'll be able to impart some of that onto you, and I don't know where you're coming from. You might not have the slightest idea about what electricity is or where it comes from, or anything, but hopefully I'll be able to shed some light on that for you, and you'll come away with this from this with a greater understanding. So yeah, that's basically what this channel is going to be about, is electric projects. It might be little stuff around the house. It might be, one of the things that I've been wanting to do, to my own house, is to install a ground-mounted solar array. So over time, I'll have bits and pieces of that mixed in here. I might have how to change a receptacle, or how to change a light switch, or anything. And that's something that if you're watching this and there's something that you want to know about electricity or how to do, just let me know. Write a comment or send me a message, and I'll try and make a video about it. So anyway, welcome to my channel, and I hope you stick around. Thanks.